Read in the name of your Lord who created a man out of a tiny creature that planes. Read, it commands the reader, for your Lord is most bountiful. Why is he most bountiful? What great gift did he give you? For he taught man the use of the pen, and through it taught him what he otherwise could not know.
والقريب فرفعت كفي راجيا لا تطردني.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace and mercy and blessings of Allah be upon you, upon me, upon everyone all over the world. Praise be to Allah, Lord of the worlds and universe, and prayers and peace be upon the Master of the Messengers, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Peace be upon him and upon his family and his beloved, respected companions. My dear new learners and new readers, youngers and elders, brothers and sisters. Some of sure know about my YouTube channel which I have created to make reading of Arabic language easy, and especially reading the Holy Book Quran easy. We know that the base of Quran and Quran language is also Arabic. So if we are trying to learn Arabic language for reading purpose, the same time we will make ourselves strong in Quran reading also. Okay. The next thing which is needed and required and very important for any important work, action, it is practice. If we are watching the clips, we are listening, but we are not practicing. We are not doing practice, so we will not be able to achieve the target. So it is my request to all of you, when you watch the clip, during the clip you can pause. After completing the clip, you can do the practice of the things which have been shared in the clips regarding Arabic reading. Okay. Arabic language is not a dead language. It is live, like us. It is written, spoken, and read all over the world. Arabic language is one of the main 4 and 5 international languages. We can remove from our mind if we think that Arabic language is belong to Muslims only because this is their religious language. No. This is half truth. The full truth which I have shared with you, this is international language, live language, trade language, business language, job language. So if we are giving some time to learn this language for reading proper and being Muslim, to read the Holy Book Quran proper, so we will achieve two things at the same time. Okay. The next, first and last very important thing I want to share with you, this is practice. If we are watching only, we are hearing and listening only, we are not doing practice, so we will not achieve our target. So it should be saved in our mind. Practice is needed, required and compulsory. So it is my request, when you watch these clips, so you can pause the clip and practice at the same time, or after completing and finishing the clip you can practice. But practice is needed. We are young, we are old, we are boy or we are youth, it doesn't matter. Because I always say, if we are going to learn anything, we are like baby and boy in that field. Stages of the age is not important. So please keep this in your mind and try to follow me. Try to practice. If you do, you will see in some days and coming weeks that we have improved ourselves. Before we are weak and now we are strong. Before we cannot read Arabic proper, but now we are able to read better than previous, better than past. Okay? Now let us start Arabic alphabet. I will read first saying their names and then like Hindi alphabet giving fatha to these letters. First letter is Alif. So please watch carefully this place. How am I reading? And then try to practice in the same way. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Nun, Waw, Ha, Hamza, Ya, Ya. Now I am reading like Hindi alphabet. I will say Alif, A, giving fatha. Ba is same. Ta, Tha, Ja, Ha, Kha, Da, La, Ra, Za, Sa, Sa, Ba, Ta, La, A, Gha, Fa, Qa, Ka, La, Ma, Na, Wa, Ha. And now Hamza we will say like Alif, as we said in Alif A, the same pronunciation we pronounce here. then ya and ya. This is for today. Okay, inshallah we will meet in next clip with next chapter, next lesson. Till that, I hope that you will revise this clip, practice these letters, and you must have learned these letters as these should be learned. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.